Alright, so check this out. Working on my trash can tabletop here. If you're doing these DT connectors, what I'm doing them for a size 12 because these fans here are the Doral, they 4,000 amp or 4,000 CFM unit, pull 25 amps a piece. So I'm putting size number 12 line, number 12 gauge power feeds to them, but I think that the power wires that are some kind of special connector in here, I think they're 14 or there's some kind of different number 12. They don't really fit well into these DT connectors, so that brings me to my point. So I'm doing these DT connectors. I'll just drop one in here so you can see. They don't fit quite 100% right. I mean, they go in, but you can see there's a good gap in there. If it'll focus. Oh, let me see if I can do this one again. Nope. Of course, now I can't get the doggone connector or wire into the connector. Okay. So you can see that there's a little bit of a gap in there. So what I'm doing is I've got just some scrap wire here. You can see I've done it a couple times already. I'm just shoving extra strands down up in there. So just shove a couple extra strands in there to take up all the room, because this has a fixed crimp. So it's not going to crimp it tighter around that. So shove you a couple extra strands in there, get a good snug fit, crimp it, and you're done. So here you can see I've got a few strands pulled off to the side of this wire, got it shoved down in there, crimp it. This thing's a little bit tough to crimp on these number 12s and hold a camera, phone or whatever. Anyway, so you can see what I did there. Just shoved some extra wire in there, got a snug fit, crimped it. I'm going to use my flush cutters to snip it off. There you go. Good snug fit. You can see the wires all the way up to the window. That's it.